Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the math class. Dear students, in previous three classes, we have discussed about cuboid and some question basis on cuboid. In today's class, I am going to teach cube and some question based on cube. So, dear students, what is the actual definition? What is cube? Cube क्या होता है? So, dear students, the definition of cube is a cuboid whose length a cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are all equal. Cube is a type of cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are equal. यानी इसमें क्या होता है बेटा, लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट तीनों इक्वल होती है. इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ क्यूबॉइड called a cube. This is the cube. Here are some real life example of cube. You can see ice cube in your fridge. This is a real life example of cube. Second one is sugar cubes, and the third one is the most important, dice. These are the real life example of cube. A cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices on order. A, B, C, D is a square face, BH, AZ are edges, and B, A, Z, H, F, E, D, C are corners or vertices of this cube. Formula for volume and surface area of cube. What are the formulas of total surface area, curved surface area, or lateral surface area, and volume of the cube? So first formula of cube is volume of a cube. If a cube has a side A, length is A, breadth is A, and height also. So dear students, volume of the cube is side cube or is cube. If side and base is A, so formula is A. So volume of cube is A cube, and the unit of volume of the cube is similar to unit of cuboid. Cube. And the second formula, diagonal of a cube. What is the formula of diagonal of a cube? Diagonal of a cube is, what was the formula of cuboid? What is the formula of cuboid, diagonal of cuboid? Square root of L square, B square, and H square. So dear students, where L is A, also B is A, and also C is A square, A square, A square, 3 square, 3A square. So final answer is root 3 into A. So dear students, diagonal of a cube is root 3 into side. Root 3 into side. This is the formula of diagonal of a cube. Third formula, total surface area. A cube has 6 square faces. 6 square faces. What is the area of one square face? What is the area of square? Side into side. So A into A square. So how many faces? 6 faces. So 6 into A square is equal to 6A square. Similarly, formula of lateral surface area or curved surface area of a cube, 4A square. 4 into side square. This is the formula of lateral surface area, 4 into side square. This is the formula of total surface area of a cube, 6 into side square. This is the formula for diagonal of a cube, root 3 into side. This is the most important formula. And the first one is volume of the cube is side. Now let's move on question based on basic question based on formulas of Q. The first question is, read the question carefully. This is a very basic question. Find the volume, lateral surface area, and the total surface area of a cube. If we measure both sides is 8 centimeter. So side A is equal to 8 centimeter. What was the formula for volume? Formula for volume, side cube. Side cube is equal to 8 cube. What is the cube of 8? 512 centimeter. So this is the volume of this cube. And the second one, total surface area, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. What is the formula of lateral surface area? 4a square. 4 into side square. So 4 into side is 8 square. So dear students, the answer of this question, 8 into 64, 4 into 64. The answer is 256 centimeter square. So this is the lateral surface area. And the next one is total surface area. What is the formula of total surface area? 6 into side square. So 6 into 8 square. So 6 into square of 8 is 64. So square of 8 is 64. So final answer is 384 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of this cube, and this is the lateral surface area of this cube, and this is the. अगर आपको फॉर्मूला लर्न है तो आप क्वेश्चन आसानी से कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. That's the next question. Next question, question number 2. What is question number 2? Find the volume. Find the volume. These are tricky questions of Q. Find the volume of Q whose total surface area we have given 486. Total surface area. So total surface area we have given. So total surface area of Q is 6a square is equal to 486 centimeter square. So dear students, value of a square is equal to 486 upon 6. 6 8 are 48 and 6 from the 81. So a square is equal to 81. So dear friends, what is the square root of 81? The square root of 81 is 9. So a is equal to 9. 9 is your side. 9 centimeter is your side of cube. पूछा गया volume. So dear students, volume of the given cube is equal to side cube, and side is 9. So 9 cube is equal to 9 into 9 into 9. So final answer is 729 centimeter. This is the volume. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको टोटल सरफेस एरिया गिवन है, फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे, साइड फाइंड करोगे, साइड का वैल्यू वॉल्यूम पे पुट करोगे तो आपका आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Solution of this question is, what is the question? Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area. This question is reciprocal of the last question. Okay. Find the total surface area of the cube whose volume is 343. So volume we have given. Value of volume. So volume. What is the formula for volume? side difference is equal to 340. And what is the cube root? 343. We have done about answer is 7 because 343 is a cube of 7. Okay, side of A, side of this cube is 7. Value is 7. Find the total surface area. So total surface area of this cube is total surface area. What is the formula for total surface area? The formula for total surface area is 6a square. So 6 into value of a is 7. So 6 into 7 into 7. So final answer of this question is 294 centimeter square. So final answer of this question is 294 centimeter square. So dear students, we have done some basic question of Q. You can solve exercise 28, question number 25 to last question. Okay. In exercise, we have given some basic questions, some difficult questions. So in this class, we have done only basic question. In the next class, we will solve some other question, some other difficult question based on Q. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होपफुली आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. आज के लिए इतना ही. टेक केयर, बाय बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट डे.